Hi everyone, welcome back to Canada Inside 360. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic for international students in Canada. Studying here is already expensive: tuition fees, rent, food, and transport. But did you know that there are many free health services available for you that most students don't even know about? If you are a student in Canada, this video can literally save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So stay with me till the end. Part 1. Health insurance coverage. First, let's clear one confusion. Health insurance is mandatory in Canada for international students. Depending on the province, you will either get a public health plan or a private plan through your school. For example, in Ontario, international students usually get private health coverage called UHIP, University Health Insurance Plan. In British Columbia, you get MSP, Medical Services Plan. In some provinces, the university includes health insurance automatically with your tuition fees. So, once you're covered, many basic doctor visits and hospital services are either free or almost free. Part 2. Free health services most students don't know about. 1. Mental health counseling. Almost every college and university offers free mental health and counseling services. If you feel homesick, depressed, or stressed about studies, you can book an appointment with a professional counselor for free. 2. Dental checkups. Many schools provide free or discounted dental checkups through student health plans. You don't have to pay the full cost, which normally is very high in Canada. 3. Eye exams. Some provinces cover eye checkups every 1 to 2 years for students under a certain age. Always check your insurance card to know what's included. 4. Campus health clinics. Most universities and colleges have their own health clinics. You can see a nurse or doctor there without paying extra. 5. Emergency services. If you ever face an emergency medical condition, calling 911 and getting an ambulance is available. But remember, ambulance fees can be expensive, so check if your insurance covers it. 6. Prescriptions and medicines. Some student health plans include partial coverage for prescription medicines, so you don't pay the full price at the pharmacy. Part 3. How to access these services. Always carry your health insurance card with you. Ask your school's international student office about the health services included in your plan. Download your insurance provider's app or website to see exactly what is covered. So friends, as you can see, there are many free or low-cost health services in Canada that international students often don't know about. If you are studying here, take advantage of these benefits. It will save you money and keep you healthy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Canada Inside 360 for more updates. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.